Today, I am standing in front of 2692 Running River Court in Lawrenceville, Georgia, in the River Haven subdivision. This is a beautiful 4 sides brick home, 2 stories, with an unfinished basement. I can't wait to show you the inside. Let's go check it out. One of my favorite features of this home is this incredibly beautiful kitchen with a large center island, double ovens, breakfast area, and then the kitchen opens to this very spacious family room. Additionally, you've got a separate living room up front with French doors, and then a very nice space for the formal dining room. Another one of my favorite features of this beautiful home is the master suite. You not only have a nice sized master bedroom, but you also have a sitting room with the second fireplace in the home and a luxury master bath. Huge shower, very nice garden tub. It's a humongous closet and separate vanities. Here are a couple of other rooms on the upper level, just beyond the master bedroom. Nice bonus room, as well as 3 other secondary bedrooms. What's not to love about this backyard? Check out the level backyard, as well as the privacy with the surrounding trees, and it has a great, beautiful black ornamental fence surrounding the property. Thank you so much for tuning in for 2692 Running River Court. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel Thornhill with Lifestone Realty Group at Keller Williams. If you'd like to see this home or any other home in the market, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call at 470-318-7066. Thanks for watching.